Yeah, hello guys, I'm Sunil. So today we'll speak about some keywords in Java, okay? What is final keyword, okay? And what is this keyword? What is super keyword in Java, okay? Who is joining? Yeah, hi Manohar. I'm about to start the class, okay? Yeah, yeah. Okay. After the class, I'll see you, okay? After the class, you share your screen, I will see you, okay? Okay. Because I just started recording, okay? Yeah. Okay. Uh, guys, anyone, uh, what is See, in this class, we're going to discuss what is final keyword and what is this keyword, okay? And what are the applications of this keyword and super keyword, okay? So we'll try to see what these three keywords in detail, okay? First, we'll go with final. Guys, anyone what is final keyword? What are the places we're going to apply that? Mm, Shepani, which is important interview question, okay? For any, okay, okay. What Manohar told is correct, okay? Shravani, any idea, Shravani? No, okay. When we want to define, no, it's not like that. Yeah. When we don't want to modify the value of that variable, okay? We don't want to modify the value of the variable, okay? Okay. Then we'll make that variable as final. But by the way, the final is not restricted to variables, okay? I want a clear cut definition, okay? So I don't want to finalize this definition. So final keyword, we can, let me remove that, okay? Uh, so final keyword, Harika, any idea, Harika, about final keyword? Hmm. Mm. No, can you see? There is no point of speaking modifying a method, right? What do you mean by modifying a method here? Yeah, correct. You need to specify, right? Yeah, yeah. I'm not getting what you're trying to say. Okay, now I got you clearly. But you're trying to speak up. You're trying to put up in a single word, right? But yeah, that's not good. But yeah, fine. So the final keyword, we can use in variable level. Okay, method level and class level. Okay. So if you use final keyword beside the variable, it has a different meaning. If we use final keyword beside a method, it has a different meaning. If we use final keyword beside a class, it has a different meaning. We will see what is that everything, okay? Suppose if it is a final variable, okay? And what Monohar you told is exactly correct, okay? For this only. Okay. When we don't want to modify the value of the variable, make that variable as final, okay? Okay. Now, final method means anyone except Harika. She already told anyone. Guys, anyone? Final method. Neha, any idea, Neha? Neha, are you there? Neha, I was asking you. Are you there? Shravani, any idea? What is final? Okay, you already said no, right? Okay, fine. Okay, let me tell. So final method means you cannot override that method in the child class. Okay? Okay? Guys, I'll tell you what is overriding. Guys, I already covered in inheritance. I think by this time you are familiar with what is child class. Am I correct, guys? Manohar, is that fine? And final class means you cannot inherit that class. Suppose if in interview, this is pakka mandatory question, okay? So if someone is asking what is final means, you need to tell everything, okay? What is final variable, final method, final class, okay? Then he will be impressed, he or she will be impressed, right? You cannot inherit, okay? Your child class. Adana Visham, okay? This is the total. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, I'll going to show it practically, okay? Don't worry, okay? See, basically my way of teaching is first I will teach the theory, then I'll go for an example, okay? Shravani, is that fine? Okay. Now let us see what you asked the question, okay? Now, suppose if I wrote a final int x, okay? See, int x equal to 10, okay? Then if you try to change x equal to x plus 1, see, what is the error it is throwing? Final local variable cannot be assigned, okay? So it is saying don't modify the final variable, okay? Shravan, is that fine? Let me copy this. Okay, అదనమాట. See, like this you'll get an error, okay? Final local variable x cannot be assigned, okay? It must be blank and not using a component assignment, okay? Clear? Okay. So this is the example of final variable, okay? Now we'll see what is final method, by the way, okay? Is that fine? Okay, I think we have some other project, right? Guys, anyone, what is the project name we have seen earlier, before last class? Inheritance, huh? Yeah. This is interface, right? Okay, let us see this, okay? Huh. Okay, let us make this is final, okay? Let us see this, okay? Guys, public final, okay? Hello? Guys, I'm making the method ATM child as final, okay? Okay. And if I go to the child class of this ATM child, wait, I don't want to mess up here. I want to take I want to create simple application, right? It's better, right? So let me create a file, new project name, okay? Final keyword, okay? That is the project name, okay? Just hit enter, okay? Right. So here inside this SRC, Shravani, are you able to follow the class? See, this is how we create a project. See, final, new, and Java project, okay? Okay. Then here inside SRC, right click, okay, new package, okay? So just a final keyword pack, okay? Something, give whatever the name you want to give, okay? Then inside here, you create a, see, for overriding, you need a parent and child relationship. Is that fine, Shravani? Parent class. Okay, in the parent class, so let us have a method, okay? The final, okay, void study, okay? Let us assume the parent is studying, the parent has studied degree, okay? Right, this out. I'm studying. I have done my degree. Okay. But obviously nowadays people are doing BTech, right? So in the child will study BTech, right? Okay. Let us assume the child is studying BTech. Okay. Now can someone tell me if I write? See, you come to first you focus what is overriding. Overriding means if you define the same method in the child class, okay, whatever the method you are writing in the parent class, if you define the same method in the child class, that is nothing but overriding, okay. First we'll see what is overriding, okay. Yeah. So while study, and you copy the same method, okay, and go for the child class, okay, and paste here, okay, and I have done my BTech, okay. Guys, if someone tell me if I create an object of child class by extending parent, which method if it will call? If I call study method, wait. Let Shravani, can, can you answer this? See, my parent class has a study. See, my parent class has a study method. Okay, and I am just overriding the study method inside the child. Okay. Now in the from the main class. Okay, new main class. Okay. So if I call, no, my question is we'll create an object of child class. Okay. So I'm saying we'll call. Array, what is going on here? Just a minute. I'm saying just will create an object of child. See, I think Shravani, uh, have you seen our last recordings? What is inheritance and all? No. Okay, fine. Let me revise. See, my parent class is there, no, here. So whatever the child class means, this one, right? So whatever the properties like methods or variables are there in the parent, if you extend that, okay, then automatically they will belong to child as well. Okay. You have idea, right? I think earlier I told you. Okay, fine, long back. So here obviously if apart from study, okay, something like wide play, right? I am in play method. This out. I am in play method, right? So obviously if you extend to child class, obviously play method will come to the child and study method from the parent also come to the child, and then okay. Now see, now your child method is being overrides the parent class. Okay, from the parent class, one copy of study method will come, and one copy of play method will come. Okay, play method will be fine, but your child class study method will override the parent class study method. Adavindha? So my question is override in the sense in the memory it will erase. Okay, that's meaning. Okay, now my question is if I create an object of child obj new child. Okay, if I call study method, which which method it will call, either parent or child? Yeah, yeah, child. Stavni, child. Okay, because your main method will be being overridden by the child method. Okay, child class method. Okay. Now my concept is, what if the method is final and the parent class? Adi man concept kada. That's where we started, right, guys? Antana. See, I have done my BTech. Okay. Now my question is very simple. What if my method is final here? No, anyone? Array? No, Stavni. Okay, which method I kept final? Sorry, I kept. Sorry, Stavni, you're saying something? No. That's a good doubt only. Good doubt means I think you haven't listened last class. Okay, fine. See, nothing, Stavni. See, if your parent is an interface, okay, Stavni, parent is an interface, and your child is a class, okay, then you need to go for implements, okay. But if both are the classes, then you should go for extends, okay. And if both are interfaces, then also you should go for extends. And if both parent and child are matching, you should go for extends. If it is not matching, go for implements. That's a simple way you can remember, okay. అర్థమైందా? రిమైనింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్స్ ఫైన్, రైట్? ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్? ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కంటైన్స్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ మెథడ్స్. ఓకే, విల్ define the body for the abstract method in the child class. Am I correct? And we cannot create an object for the interface, right? These are the very basic points of interface. Okay, and please watch the recordings. Okay, we already have in our channel. Okay, yeah, guys. Now my question is, if I kept to study, what will be my answer here? See, it is an error. I told the final method you cannot override. Okay, it will be compilation error. Shravan, I think you only asked, right? What kind of error it will throw? See, cannot override the final method. Okay, so you are writing the parent class and you don't want anyone to override your final class. Sorry, your parent class method. Then make the methods final. Okay, అర్థమైందా? Guys, is that fine? Hello? అదనమాట విషయం. Okay, so this is the error you'll get. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is the example of final method. Harika, is that clear? Neha, is that clear? Neha, are you there in the class? Okay, thank you. Shavni, are you able to follow class? Thank you. Guys, I'm just pasting. Okay, don't worry, I'll paste. Just at the end of the class, can someone please remember me so that I can paste in the group? Okay, so, sometimes I forget to paste in the group. Okay, these notes. Guys, I want everyone to practice the codes what I'm telling over here. Okay, then only you will face your own issues. Then you'll come to know better. Okay, okay, na. Now the last one, guys. Final class. చెప్పండి, what is final sorry class? What happens if we have a final keyword beside the class? Yes, it can't be inherited. Okay, అంతే కదా? శ్రావణి, అర్థమైందా? So they are telling, yeah, if your class is final, public final, okay, and you cannot inherit. Okay, see, what is the error it's showing? Type child cannot subclass the final parent. Okay, see how neat it is writing the error. Okay na? Subclass means it's a child class. అంటే you cannot make a child class out of the final class అని చెప్తుంది. Okay, okay, this is about final. Okay, so these are the cases which will get issues with the final keyword. Okay, అదనమాట. Okay, right? Again, I'm telling, final variable means you cannot modify the variable. Final method means you cannot override the method, and final class means you cannot inherit to the subclass. Okay, guys, is that clear? The 3 points. Okay, no chance. What you said? Final? Sir, please come again. Final block. Final block. No. Final block adavadu. But what you asking? Final constructor. Let us see that. And see, constructor can be final. I think it cannot have any issue. Okay, final parent. Let's just try that. Okay. Yeah. See, it is throwing some error. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah, guys, constructor will not accept any modifier. Okay, see, remove invalid modifiers. Okay, yeah. Ante, yeah. Harika, is that fine? You cannot have a, and there is no concept of overriding a constructor, right? Ante kada. Constructor is particular to the class. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's why I got it out. Okay, you cannot have any modifier besides a constructor. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's a good doubt, by the way. Yeah. Adana Vishim. Okay. Now we'll move to the this keyword. Guys, any idea what is this keyword and what are its applications? Guys, final is clear to everyone. Now we'll move to this keyword. Okay. Guys, anyone, what is this keyword? Okay. Mm. Okay, what Shavani told is it points to the reference object. Okay, that is it's making sense. Okay. Inka. Guys, it has a multiple applications like final keyword. Okay. Guys, anyone? Harika, what is this keyword will do? What are its applications? Yeah, you can simply say it's a current calling object. Okay, you can simply say, but you can have multiple applications in with the final these keywords as same like final. Okay, right. It is current calling object. Okay, you can say it is a current calling object. Okay, let me brief you what is current calling object and what is reference. Okay, okay. First, this keyword has three applications. Okay, three applications. Okay, or three use cases. The first one is if our local variable and global variable is same. Okay, what is the first one? If our local variable and global variable are of same name, then then you can access global variables inside the method by using this. Guys, did you got anything with this line? Then you can access, okay, access global variables inside the method. Guys, any idea what I wrote here? I think Neha, I already told you in the beginning of the problem solving with this example. I told you constructor. Neha, can you recollect what I told by chance? X equal to X and this dot Y equal to Y, right? Antena? Yeah. So we'll see this, okay? We'll see what it will actually do, okay? What it actually do, okay? Yeah. Suppose my child class has a constructor, okay? Let us assume my child class has a constructor, okay? And my child class has three variables: int X, int Y, int Z, okay? And my child class is a constructor. Guys, I already told about constructors in detail. Shravani, is it fine if I start with the constructor directly? You know, right? So when will the constructor being executed? Shravani, I'm asking you, when will the constructor starts execution? No idea, na? Okay, fine. See, whenever if you create an object of that class, then the constructor internally it will start executed. Okay, is that fine? So the constructor will start executing once we create an object of that class. Okay. Okay. Please remember that point. Okay. Okay. Child. And when will the method will execute, Shravani? Hello, Shravani. Methods. It won't execute. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Yeah, what I'm trying to say, methods you need to call explicitly like this. Okay. By creating an object with the help of that object you need to call this method. Okay, అర్థమైందా? But the constructor there is no need to call explicitly, okay, like this. Okay. And the second thing, see, if you for the guys whoever attended my class beginning, I told you, suppose if I want to call you, if I want to call to your mobile, right, I need your mobile number, right, ante kada. So this function call will act like a mobile number. Okay. Okay, and this function will act like your phone. Okay, is that fine, Shravani? Ante unless if there is no function call, your method will not execute. Okay, is that clear, Shravani? And your constructor will execute whenever you create an object of that class. Okay, see, this is a child object, right? Okay, so if you see here, see, method call means method name with parenthesis, right, Shravani? Antena? And the same thing constructor call means class name with parenthesis ante. So your constructor call is part of the object creation. Okay, అర్థమైందా? అదనమాట. But your constructor is taking three arguments, right? See, x y z, then you need to pass three arguments from the parent class, sorry, main class. అర్థమైందా? 100, 200, 300. Okay, now if you see here, my XYZ. Okay, my XYZ will map to my XYZ will be mapped to 100, 200, and 300. Is that fine, Shravani? Now my target is I want to map my local variables to the global. Okay, and by default my global variables take the default values. So X is 0, Y is 0, Z is 0. Okay, adanamat. Okay, so yeah. So my question is, how can you pass? See, suppose if they are a different name, right? If it is ABC, okay, happily you can write X equal to A, okay, sorry, Y equal to B and Z equal to C, okay, right? My question is, yes, correct, correct. Okay, so happily if it is if they are of different name, you can write X equal to A, X Y equal to B, Z equal to C. But in the project level, okay, the guys who are working on Java project, if you see any model class, they wanted to write the global variables and local variables of same type, same name. Okay, then what you should do? This dot X equal to X, this dot Y equal to Y, and this dot Z equal to Z. Okay, see if you write simply Z, it will represent a global variable. Okay, but if you write this dot Z, it will symbolically represents. Sorry, if you simply write X Y Z, it will represent local variable. But if you write this dot X, this dot Y, this dot Z, it will symbolically represent the global variable. Okay, adanamata. Guys, is that clear? Shravani, is that clear? And in this way, you can pass from the main class. You can create an object. In that object creation, you can invoke a constructor. In that constructor invocation, you can pass three values. Guys, is that clear? Ante simple. So from the local values, you are mapping to global variables like by using this keyword. Antena? Ante kada. See how simple it is. Okay. Now, now after mapping, I'll just have a display method. Okay. So in the display method, I'll print all the values. We'll see whether they are mapping or not. Antena? See, by the time of display execution, invocation, the mapping should be done, right? The mapping definitely should be done. So it should, instead of default values, they will print XYZ what we are passing, right? Is that right, Manohar? See, this is important example, guys. Okay, guys, if you are strong in OOPS concept, then only you can deal with Java. Okay, whether it is a Spring Boot, microservice, anything. Okay, first you need to be thorough in core Java. That too, mainly in OOPS. Okay, and OOPS we have a lot of concepts. This super. Okay, static, final, inka modifiers, public, private, protected. Okay, everything and class, object. Okay, lot of concepts in encapsulation, interface, abstraction. Okay, okay, na? So yeah. So once we complete OOPS, our core Java will be, it can be easily done. It can be easily completed. Okay. Guys, see, can you tell me by line 7, my constructor invocation will be done? Am I correct, guys? Antena? Because of these three values, my X, Y, Z will be mapped. Okay, Antena? And by using this keyword, I'm mapping my local variables to global variables, right? See, because of the line 7, that much process is happening, guys. Okay. See, once my line 7 execution is done, then only my line 8 execution will be started. Okay, am I correct? So by the time of executing line 9, your values is already mapped. Ante kada. If you call display method, instead of printing default values, it will print 100, 200, 300. Am I correct, guys? Antena? That's it. This is the first application of this. The first application is if you want to map to global variables by using local variables. That in the sense your local and global variables are same name. You can use this keyword to refer the global variables. Is that right, guys? Ante kada. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me copy this. Guys, is that clear so far? Neha, is that clear? Shravan, నీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? Because you haven't attended last few classes. అర్థమైంది కదా? Okay, fine. And Shravani, I am requesting, please complete, okay, the videos, okay? We have 8 videos, I think, okay? By this, in the weekend you are free, right? Yeah, yeah, please complete, okay? Yeah. Because it is very difficult for you to follow, okay? If you won't complete, okay? Yeah. And they are very quality videos, so I feel it has a proper sound quality, okay? Okay. No. Okay. The second application of this keyword. Okay. So it is used to call methods, guys. Okay. Right. Suppose here. Okay. Suppose my from the parent class. Okay. Sorry. From the main class, I'm calling study method. Right. Antena, guys. So in the study class. Okay. So this method will be started executing. Right. Ante, guys. Antena. So uh, here we have a some method like test. Okay. Test. Okay. I want to call my test method. Okay. Okay. From the study method. And within the child class, I want to create. I want to call. Okay. Any idea? Without creation of child class object. Guys, I will be being called. I'll call the study method. Okay. From the study method, I want to call my test method. Okay. So just write this dot test. Okay. So yeah. Guys, if you observe clearly, guys, who is calling my study method, guys? And by using which reference we are calling study method? Which object? Yeah, child class, right? So by using child class object, you're calling study method. Am I correct? So here, your this refers to your child class reference only. Okay, right? Guys, is that clear? Guys, I need to revise. Yeah. Tell Chepu. Okay, okay. Guys, I'm not saying about parent class method invocation. Okay, I am just speaking about our current class method. Okay, for the parent class invocation, you need to use super keyword. Okay, Manohar. uh, Exactly. Display అని ఉందో కదా, డిస్ప్లే ఉంది కదా, చెప్పు. No, it is specific to the child. It is specific to the child. Okay. My question, I got your doubt. I got your doubt. Suppose you are thinking if the same method is there in the parent. So your doubt is this line 19 will call this parent method or child class method. Antena? Definitely this by using this keyword. See, my this is referring to the child class object, right? Ante kada. So obviously my child class method will be executed. Okay. Ante kada. Why come the parent class method will be executed? Suppose if at all you want to call parent class method, use super. Okay. I'm about to start that one. Okay. Please hold on. Okay. So obviously, if you start call study method, okay, then this will internally invoking test method, okay, antena. And after invocation of test, after complete execution of test method, your study method will be restarted, okay. Guys, is that clear? Shravani, అర్థమైందా? అంటే by using this keyword, you can call current class methods as well, okay. అది వాడు చెప్పేది. Okay, so in the line 19 you are using this, right? So line 19 is executed by method study. Okay, just try to see which object is calling study method, ante kada, then you'll get the key, right? Ante kada, నీకు అప్పుడు వచ్చేస్తుంది idea. So which whosoever object is calling study method, then this keyword refers to that object only. Okay, ante. Okay. Yeah, void study method is internally calling test method. Okay, then test method will be completed, then void study will be executed. See, suppose if I call to your phone, right? Then you connected to someone, your friend, by using conference. Then obviously we three will connect, right? That's something like that. Okay. This is called method chaining, by the way. Yeah. Okay. So until I'm see Just to see the flow ante. If in the flow by chance if you are calling some other method, that method will be first executed, then after that execution of that method, then your current method will be restarted from the next line. Adhamainda? So this is the second keyword of second use case of this keyword. Okay, one is to differentiate between local and global. Second one is to call your current class method, okay, by using this keyword. Okay, antena? Right? See guys, this keyword is playing the role of your child class object ante. Okay, okay. So Harika, is that clear, Harika? Neha, is that fine? See, I am in test method. Okay, yeah, Chepu, sure. Just a minute. ఇదేంటిది పక్కన వస్తుంది. Okay, చెప్పు child class. Okay, చెప్పు. Yeah, that is fine. Yes, you can. You can. Yeah, you can call in that way also. Okay. Okay. And you remove the display method, okay, over the main class. Okay. See, నేను అక్కడ ఏం చెప్తున్నానంటే you are by using obj you're calling the study method, right? In that study method your this keyword indirectly mean obj. Okay, అంతే. So if indirectly ఎక్కడి నుంచి పిలిచినా ఒకటే, అక్కడి నుంచి పిలిచినా ఒకటే. Okay, right? So now is it fine? అర్థమైందా? That's what it mean. Current calling object means that's the meaning. Okay, చలో. Yeah. Yeah. No, both will take the same time. Both will take the same time. Okay. అర్థమైందా? Both will take the same time. It is not. Yeah. It is. Don't think related to time complexity. Okay. Obviously, they will take big of one only time complexity. Okay. It won't take any variable time complexity. Okay. Both will be the same time complexity. Time. Both will take the same time. And yeah, that's not a. Yeah, fine. Okay, fine. No issue. Okay. Yeah, as a beginner, yeah, getting it out is not an issue. Okay, fine. ఇంకా yeah. So this is the second use case of this case. Okay, let me copy that. Okay. Guys, I'm just pasting this class alone. Okay. Guys, then what is the next use case of this? We have seen how to differentiate between local and global, and we have seen how to call the method, other method, by using this, which is referring to the current calling object. Am I correct? Now, what is the third use case of this? Anyone? Guys, anyone? Guys, what is the third use case? Harika? Anyone? Harika, any idea? No idea, na? Okay, fine. I thought you might be knowing it. Okay. Okay. See, you can call constructor also by using this keyword. Okay. You can call constructor also. How I'll see. Okay. How I'll show you guys. Okay. Come on. Guys, this line will invoke the child class constructor, right? Antena? Suppose here, some 2 argument constructor is there, okay? So from this constructor, you can invoke like this, and you can pass 2 values. Guys, is that clear what I'm trying to say here? See, and see, obviously from your main class, you will start executing this constructor, okay? From this constructor, your 2 argument constructor will be invoking, see, by using this keyword, okay? Guys, is that clear? Manohar, is that clear, Manohar? So this is the third use case of this keyword. Okay, can someone tell me what are the final values? Wow, what are the final values of x, y, z? Mhm. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, go ahead. No, Manohar. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, Manohar, it's completely wrong. See, your line 13, first it will execute this method, right? So then your constructor will be executed. Am I correct? So from the line, because of this line 13, your x value change it to 10 and y value change it to 20. Am I correct? But after that, after this constructor execution, it will again restart, right? From 14, 15, and 15, 16, right? My x, which is a local variable, local copy, and y, which is a local copy, and z, which is a local copy. And I am just assigning earlier my this dot x, earlier my global value is 10. Now I'm just modifying it to 100. Am I correct? And z, right? So it won't impact, okay? అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడ అంటే యాజ్ పర్ దిస్ లాజిక్ యువర్ xyz values it won't be disturbed. Manohar, is that clear now? What I'm trying to say, because of this line, you have modified your xy. Okay, fine. But again, you are again modifying, right? Then this is the final, right? Final call, right? Ante kada? That's it. Okay, in the display method, it will print 100, 200. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah, it is an error. It's a compilation error, Shravani. Because of the ambiguity, it will be compilation error, right? It will keep on. See, it's an infinite loop, right? See, if the compiler is allowing, it's an infinite loop, right? And this will call your child constructor, and child will call this will call child. Am I correct? It will keep on calling, right? So because of this, they have blocked this. It's a compilation error, okay? అర్థమైందా? See, recursive, see, I just what I told is exactly correct. See, recursive constructor invocation. అర్థమైందా, Shravani? So it should not be same, okay? Okay. Is that clear now? Manohar, is that clear? Okay, let me execute the code. See, 100, 200, 300. Is that fine, Manohar? Yes. అంటే ఇప్పుడు this line 8, ఈ constructor you can directly call from the main class by passing 2 values. Am I correct? అంతే కదా, ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్ క్లాస్ నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా I can copy this line again and if I pass 2 values, that will execute, right? But instead of that, I'm calling in this way, okay? అర్థమైందా? Guys, and one more thing, if you're calling this if you're calling one more constructor by using this keyword, that should be the first line only, okay? This should be the line 1 only. If you are using this in other line, it will be a compilation error, okay? See, if I am trying to use control X, okay, I'm just pasting over here, okay? Then it's a compilation error. See, constructor call must be the first statement in the constructor, okay? You need to write in the starting first line of the constructor, okay? అర్థమైందా? Guys, is that clear? See, by using this, yeah, if you are trying to call a constructor by using this keyword, that should be the first line, okay? అర్థమైందా? Yes. అంటే నువ్వు ఒక కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ కి కాల్ చేస్తున్నావు అంటే దట్ షుడ్ బి ద ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ దట్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్, ఓకే? అది నేను చెప్పేది. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రూల్, ఓకే? Guys, is that clear? This keyword. Okay, fine. Okay, let us stop for today. I I thought like we can complete super as well, but we have only 4 more minutes. I don't want to start. Okay, yeah.